Are you searching for the best ramen bowl? You are in the right place for getting the valuable information on the best ramen bowls. In this video, we will show you top rating and customer comments and analysis of product reviews and shortlisted the top 5 ramen bowls on the market in 2021. We made this list based on our personal opinion after performing our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation and other related issues, and we ranked them, no particular request or influence. If you want to buy the best ramen bowls, we think this list will be very helpful to you. Number 1. Ramen 6 37-ounce soup bowls. This 6 pieces set includes 2 ramen bowls, 2 set of chopstick and a ladle to allow you to have everything needed to enjoy bowls of ramen how it should be enjoyed. The traditional design featured 2 pieces cut out on the top of the bowls and safely hold the chopstick when not in use to make carrying and storing much easier at home. With a large size holding 37 ounce, it is the right serving for a good lunch and dinner. Made from food grade melamine, the bowls are incredibly hard to break but are also lightweight, allowing them to carry it easier without too much additional weight. The sophisticated yet traditional black design will fit into the kitchen easily and serve its purpose really well. Number 2. Valenood 4 noodles bowls. These bowls and accessories more packaged in a gift box that works well for holidays and special occasion when gift for someone with a love of Japanese food. The material used for the bowls is thick and unlikely to break, even when used regularly or dropped onto the floor. This makes the set a great option for the clumsier ones among us even for the children who are experiencing ramen for the first time. The biggest issue with the product is that sometimes it comes with broken chopstick or spoons, which may not be the same quality as the bowls. The interior of the bowls may also look more than orange than red. Number 3. Danone ceramic soup bowls. These bowls are space saving as they have a flat button that lets them stand firmly on the kitchen cabinet. They are the combination of both classic and modern designs and are slightly cone-shaped. The classic white bowl measures 7 into 2.7 with 32-ounce capacity. You can use them in a microwave, dishwasher or even a refrigerator to store food. They come in the set of our 4 pieces and packaged delicately. Number 4. Toys Done Japanese ceramic ramen bowl set. This complete set is safe for use in the microwave and can be cleaned in the dishwasher. It made of non-absorbent ceramic to ensure your ramen tasted excellent and stay hot as long as possible. This set has 2 bowls in the ideal shape to enjoy noodles, broth and topping without worrying about anything slipped out. These world marker bowls are the ideal for the both hot and cold dishes from a range of cuisine, Japanese or not. While the bowls are decorated with the word ramen on the side, they also fit in the billing of snack of the ice cream, pasta, rice and more. Number 5. 10 pieces premium ceramic large ramen bowl set. This complete set includes 2 beautiful bowls, 2 forks, 2 pairs of chopsticks, 2 fork holder and even 2 matching handkerchiefs. Built to last, the bowls are made from steady, durable and restaurant grade ceramic, which are both microwave and dishwasher safe. Not as large as some of the other bowls, these 32-ounce bowls are still large enough to hold a decent portion of ramen and topping without allowing it to overflow and slip. Designed with layered insulation, the ramen will keep warm until the last bite. The simply yet the appealing design of the ombre-like color have a traditional and elegant appearance, yet will fit into the any kitchen with ease.